Hello, my 3-year-old friends. I hope you're having a fun time. You're going to have a great take-home packet with all kinds of fun things to work on. But what we really want you to work on is this letter. This letter is the letter B. B as in baseball. B as in the color blue. So let's see if you can decorate this letter B. And also, remember Itsy Bitsy Spider? He went up the water spout. You can trace him. Take your crayon and see if you can connect the lines and then color your spider. Remember, spider starts with an S. He has 4 legs on one side, 4 legs on the other. That is 8 legs. Have a great week and enjoy all your fun things.